Recording.
Recording.
Masauwi ako.
Hi, fans.
Sige na, bye-bye.
Hi.
This is for you.
I will dedicate.
Ayan na.
I will dedicate the song. Ay, stop na.
Masungit ako eh. Tara, text mo ako pag dumating.
Si manager. Manager, boss.
Kami nga po pala ay pupunta ng Japan.
Yes, this is...
Ayan.
Self and say that it's love only, 'cause when it's gone, we end up being alone.
Gumala na tulo.
So hard to know that it's just endless. That it's just
Nakakatawa ka na tayo Paula.
Hindi ko kabisado. Hoy! Ano ka display? Hindi ko kabisado.
only stolen moments. Allow me to know that's just how it's so. That we shouldn't have to let each other go. Loving you is all that means to me. And being happy is all I can be.
Nakangiti lang ako.
Loving you loves me. I really have to say Dali lang siya.
Nahihiya ako.
Uy, Cindy, ba't nakangiti ka lang? Each day makes my love for you keeps growing stronger, but every time we meet makes leaving you so much harder.
Oh, yeah.
So how are we to know that it's just nothing so?
It wasn't so.
That we just have to let each other go. If loving you is all that means to me, being happy is all I hope in me, and then loving you must mean I really have to set you free. Letting go is not an easy task. When smiling feels like I must wear this loneliness. It's sad, and it's just gonna go.
Oh, hello. Hello? Hello?
Ay, andito ako sa ano. Sa may kawayan. Pwede, sa may kawayan ako talaga.
It's all that means to me.
Yan, ganyan pala.
Wait lang, ano daw? Ba't nakasakit sa ba? Ano charger mo? Ay, parang pangyayon tayo ng charger eh.
Loving you must mean
Wait lang, sino ba yung kausap mo? Kami kasama mo, kani-kanino ka lang nagpapag-usap. Parang, sa amin lang ang oras mo.
Gagawin ko lang.
Ingay na.
ingay naman ni Cindy. Walang pakundangan.
Mga kante.
Ayaw magsi-shut up.
I-post mo yan.
Hindi yan picture. I'm really glad to set you free.
Oh, hindi
Sorry.
na ako makakulit.
Sorry po. Sorry.
Turi-turi na.
Sorry, I hurt you.
I'm sorry. I will hurt you. I'm sorry.
I know for myself.
I know for myself. I'm a liar.
You're a liar, my friend.
I'm a liar. Sorry po.